Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create poll on Facebook Messenger in 2022. So let's get started. Open your Messenger app, then open any your group chat, and then in very bottom you will see the plus button here. Just tap on it and then tap on poll here. Now enter your questions, tap here what you poll questions. Just tap one time, then enter your question and then add option to answer. For example, I write my option, you write your option. Then if you want to add another question or option, just tap on add option, enter. For example, I write test, and then when you finish and add option and enter question, tap on create poll here and you will send this poll to your group chat. As you can see, I create and we can vote. Just tap on poll and add, for example, this one answer and then tap submit. And here, as you can see, I vote. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.